Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I am working on a 2002 Dodge Durango. This Durango has failing shocks on the back here for the liftgate, and I will be replacing those. These are the original shocks here. There will be a Torx bit up here and right down here, and that is a T40 Torx bit. So one of two things you can use here is, if you have anything like this, these are super handy. In my case, I am going to use my impact with the T40 Torx bit. So first thing I want to do when doing these is be careful. If they are failing, it means your thing will possibly fall on you. So I just used an old shower curtain rod that I used to prop up hoods and stuff occasionally. Have it in here, it's nice and sturdy. I believe when I pull these out that it's still going to be very unstable, so be careful not to get whacked in the head with this. It's a heavy door and it would hurt. So I purchased these. These are my new shocks. These are I solely purchased off their reviews. They were actually pretty inexpensive. They're under $20 for both of them. They're A Eagle. Alright. So the door did drop a little bit. You can see that it lowered about 2 inches. And then we'll take this top one out. Alright. So that was simple enough. Now we will line them up here just to compare them. You may need an extra set of hands to raise this and lower it according to where you need to get the bolt started. Doing it by myself was a little tricky. Okay, so when reinstalling your new shocks here, you will want to tighten your upper shock mount first. So that would be the one that is on the hatch. And then once you have that in place and tightened down all the way, go ahead and come down here and try to get this lined up as best as possible. An extra set of hands would make this super easy, but you'll have to push up on the hatch as high as it'll go in order to get this to line up in the hole. It's really important not to force it into the hole, because if you strip it out, create a whole new problem for yourself there. So you'll want to get it up and then get it started, and then once you get it started, you should be good to go. So same thing for this side. Start with the top here, get that one tightened up, and then come down to the bottom, push up on the hatch as high as possible and get that lined up. And once it's started, you should be able to just tighten it down until the washer on the inside right here that my finger's touching, until it's flush with the back of the vehicle. As you can see now, the hatch is staying up by itself. It's actually quite strong now. I have to actually force it down. It just lifts up by itself. So that's nice. Don't have to worry about getting a concussion now. If you have any comments or questions, please be sure to leave them down below and I will respond fairly quickly. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and have a great day.